Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I would like to take a moment and say thank you to all the supporters of my YouTube channel. 3rd of August 2022, my channel has hit a milestone of 2000 subscribers and I have more than 1,64,000 viewers across the globe, with more than 50 plus countries watching my tutorial. I started YouTube channel during pandemic. My only aim to start the YouTube channel was to share my knowledge and help designers in lighting industry with my dialogue saver skills. I'm really very humble when you guys write to me. I receive so many comments worldwide. Some of you have even wrote to me that you got jobs in lighting industry after learning technical skills from my channel. I can't put this in words, but it means a lot to me. Do you know you're hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing my channel does? It helps the YouTube channel to reach wider network. And this means it's not only me, but it's also you guys who are helping others through my YouTube channel. So today, it's a joint success and worth celebrating. So cheers. I really thank you all for subscribing, for sharing my videos on other platforms, or even hitting that thumbs up button. Love you all. Now time for a giveaway. As a little thank you, I thought of giving some material to you guys which would be helpful while working in dialogues. Last time I gave 100 free 3D models, and this time giveaway will be a set of 3D models and textures room wise for residential project. This giveaway will be on my birthday, that is 30th of August 2022. Once again, thank you all. If you found the tutorials in my YouTube channel helpful, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.